Metabase is now available on the AWS Marketplace. It is an intuitive business intelligence platform, enabling users to explore and visualize data through dashboards and ad hoc queries. With built-in PostgreSQL database backup for data security, this guide is designed to assist you in seamlessly integrating Metabase into your AWS environment through detailed step-by-step instructions. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Metabase AMI. Click Continue to subscribe. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click Accept Terms. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click Continue to Configuration. Select the CloudFormation template as the fulfillment option and choose your preferred region. Then click Continue to launch. From the drop-down, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch. Ensure the template is selected and click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Provide the admin email for SSL generation. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Provide a public domain name. Choose an instance type, which we recommend T3 medium. Select your preferred key name. Provide a S3 bucket name. Set SSH location, subnet CIDR block, and VPC CIDR block. Click Next. Choose Stack Failure options and click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Check the box and click Submit. You'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. To obtain the IP address, navigate to the Outputs tab and look for Public IP. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the domain you provided during the creation of the CloudFormation stack. Click Edit Record and then paste the copied public IP. Click Save. You can access the Metabase application through the Dashboard URL or Dashboard URL IP provided in the Outputs tab. Explore and visualize data effortlessly with Metabase for an enjoyable business intelligence experience. Metabase will automatically try to set up SSL based on provided domain name if that domain hosted on Route 53. If it's unsuccessful, then you have to set up SSL manually.